website, and it can be found at this link. I didn't make up all these things here on my own. Parts of them were taken from this TechNet website. I want to give them credit for that. And if you want to find out more information about the differences between these two, you can click on this link and you could go to this website yourself. Now let's find out what Microsoft Virtual Server offers you as the user of the virtualization software. So first off, Microsoft Virtual Server offers a number of different supported host and guest operating systems. So first off, for the host operating systems, you can use any one of these three different host operating systems. These are supported: Windows 2003, Server, Standard, Enterprise, and Data Center, Windows Small Business Server, Standard and Premium, and Windows XP Professional. Now there's some service packs that need to be applied to these for it to work properly and be fully supported. But in general, those are the supported host operating systems. Now, when it comes to Windows XP, you should only use Windows XP as a host operating system in a non-production environment. That means for your testing or demonstration, whatever, but you don't want to do server consolidation with Windows XP as the host operating system. Now, supported guest operating systems include those just mentioned above, plus these here: Windows 2000 Server, all editions except Enterprise, and Windows NT Server 4 Enterprise Edition Service Pack 6A. So those are the supported host operating systems. And now I'll show you a little bit later in the series of slides here a number of other supported host operating systems now include Linux. Now let's talk about administration of Microsoft Virtual Server. So primarily for administration of Microsoft Virtual Server, you'll use remote management or server management right on the server console. Now, because the Microsoft Virtual Server administrative interface is a web browser, you can either run it locally on the local server, or you could run it over the network. Now, Microsoft Virtual Server has this application called VMRC, Virtual Machine Remote Control. And this is a little application that can be installed on a client, and you can take control of individual remote machines or virtual machines over the network. So I'll be demonstrating these different administrative features. Another feature is scripted management. You can manage Virtual Server and its virtual machines using COM application programming. So